I just lost power. Yep. My neighbor just messaged me. Yep. Holy crap. Oh well. Well. Guess I can't talk to my buddies that I was just talking to online. But I told them if I disappear, my power went out. Yeah. Guess I'll shut down my laptop. It's okay, Katie. It's just okay. It's okay. It's just the wind. You don't need to attack me. It's just the wind. It's all good. All good. As long as no trees hit the house, we'll be alright. So, tiddlywinks, anybody? Yeah, can't look out there with that light on. The lights are still on over at the... Oh man, yeah, see, I was just out here and there's nothing on anymore. You can see lots of houses with flashlights. Starting to hear sirens. Oh man, there's something rumbling. I don't know what's rumbling, but there's something rumbling. Making like a real low rumbling sound. Holy shit, wow. There's like transformers blowing up everywhere. That was crazy. I looked over and the sky was like lit up. Fucking crazy. Oh, there's some more. Yep, transformers are blowing everywhere. I think, oh, it just got darker. Oh, just because of the lights, I guess. Whoa. Everybody's got like their lights on. Whoa. So, trying to dig out the batteries and the flashlights. Lots of candles. Lots of candles. Just haven't had to use them yet. A whole ton of that bag full of candles here. Always be prepared. My motto. My motto. I don't think they make candle ends fit the fucking... Oh, what? There's a brand new lighter here. The other day. What the fuck? Sometimes I put the lighter in my backpack just in case, and no, it's not there either. What the fuck happened to my lighter? Alrighty. Got some candle power going. It's been a long time since I had these candles. Hey kitty. I'm lucky because my laptop, shh, don't tell anybody, but this place is electrical. I don't have any, I have like two outlets that actually have like proper grounds, like the 3 prongs, and the one in my living room, well, my whole entire living room, except for 2 in the kitchen, I think, is where those 3 prong ones are. I think they have them downstairs. I don't even remember. Anyways, my laptop's plugged into an outlet with only 2 prongs, and from what they say, even if you have a surge protector, like, it's not gonna work because you're supposed to have the 3rd ground. So, when storms come, I generally, like lightning storms, I generally shut off my computer. First time I hear a rumble or see a flash of light, computers shut off, because power surge can kill your electronics. And we did have a power surge because the power went out, and then it flashed, and then it came back on, and then it went out again. And yeah, I'm lucky that at least at that point my computer was still going alright. It's okay, kitty. It's okay. It's just the wind. Now I'm just gonna make sure that I shut that off. But at least I know when my power comes back on, because the everything beeps. Man, whoop. I don't know how. Well, it looks like the apartment building got all their power back. That's nice, and they got their power back pretty quick. But we're now in the zone. Usually we don't lose power. But I mean, given the wind gusts are going to be up to like 80k, yeah, we're in the zone, man. And it did happen. So you have to grin and bear with it. You hungry? You want food? I don't think there's any more transformers left to blow unless ours blows over here, which I probably don't want to be outside for. I'm not too far away from it. I can see it by the lights of the cars. The university still looks like it has power though, for some of it. Man, when that red light comes on, does it ever get dark? Holy shit. We are in the dark. Holy moly. Well, the wind seems to have died down and actually seems to have shifted, because it was coming from kind of southwest. Now it seems to be coming from northwest. But definitely not as strong in gusts, that's for sure. That was a doozy. It's great we got everybody's power back on that quick though. That was cool. But this road here that I live on is a main emergency through route, so they usually try and get its power back on pretty quickly, although Queen Square had their power back before we did, so just depends on where I guess they get to. Starting to rain again.